What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, RexyRex420. Hello, my name is Rexy. Yeah, welcome guys. It's Vlogmas day 4 in this bitch. So today is a go with the flow day because I really don't have nothing planned. So we're going with the flow. If you're new here, welcome, hello. If you've been here, welcome back to the party. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna head out, check my outfit. Check it out. And for day 4 of the socks, we're wearing the Christmas socks. And Christmas tree socks. And I got presents. See if we can. Christmas tree. And with that, we had to match it. Hold on. With the earrings. Christmas tree earrings. So we in here like swimwear, looking mighty comfy. Comfy. So like I said, it's a go with the flow day. So we're going with the flow. So let's go. I'm decorating the house. Said you're great. Oh, you're doing a tree this year? Decorating the tree with lights this year, mama? Holy moly, don't I chop. Oh, it's solar lights?
Yep.
Cool. Coolie. Probably go to the laundromat. Actually, he needs to wash some clothes. He wanted to go to the park, but it's to play some Pokemon Go, but I don't know, it's pretty cold.
Yeah.
And he doesn't have I mean, he has hoodies, but he don't have a like coat.
You gotta go to the mall.
To go where?
Don't they have Pokemon Go in the mall?
Mall? Oh no, I don't want to go in the mall. I don't want to be around people. Definitely don't want to be around people. I don't know. I'm pretty hungry. I want some food. Trying to eat would be alright. Letting the car warm up. Huh? Really, she's very cold in here.
You know if they checked his credit to get into that apartment he's in?
No.
They didn't?
No.
They just wanted first and last month rent?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What?
Somewhere I can refer Cedric to. The sooner he can get up out of here, the better.
Oh yeah. Oh god. When are you coming up here?
January, the end of January.
Oh, okay, cool. Love my mom. That's my mom, folks. She's awesome. Decorating the tree. Look at her. Oh, mom. Alright, we're on the road now. Well, not on the road. Finna be on the road. It's fucking cold in this bitch, guys. Hope you guys are staying warm and wherever you live. If not, I hope you guys enjoying the nice ass weather. Cause it's cold in this bitch. It's cold. I gotta charge my phone. I gotta get the music going. You know, when you get in your car, you know, you gotta get your shit going. Get a vibe in here, you know. But yeah. Like I said, it's a go with the flow day. Nothing too crazy. But before we go with the flow, let's take a puff. Before we go with the flow. Not a big one. I'm not trying to get too crazy. I'm just trying to take a nice puff. That's it. Cheers. All right. see you guys at my next destination. Is it? Fuck. Is it snowing? Yo! Is it gonna snow? You don't see the little flurries? Oh my god! Ah!
I want to move to Florida.
Florida! Horror! It is! A little bit. Yeah! It's flurries! Alright guys, on to the next destination! Look at Mr. Frosty! Huh? Huh? Look at Mr. Frosty! Mr. Frosty! So yeah, we didn't really do much, guys. We didn't really go nowhere. We just kind of went to the laundromat. Ooh, ooh. We just kind of went to the laundromat for real, chill in the parking lot, nothing too crazy. So I'm back home. Gonna make me some food. I was thinking about making some veggie enchiladas because that sounds amazing, and making some cookies because my mom got these little cookie cutters and shit and little icing to decorate them. So that would be fun to do. And I also got this shit that I want my mom to try. Soju. Jinro. Green grape. Oh shit. So there's this fucking dope ass liquor store next to the laundromat. I finally went in there today. And I'm like, these motherfuckers have every fucking almost, oh my god, they have so many different selection of alcohol that you didn't even know there was that many selection of that alcohol in that store. Like, the whole store is just liquor and like a section of snacks, and then they have a whole behind the counter of more liquor, and then they have like liquors of different flavors of that liquor. Like, I was just like, oh my god, that's fucking awesome. So I saw this, I was like, whoa. I was like, is that sake? I was like, no, that's not sake. What the fuck is this? And I found out it's soju. Cool. But they did have like sake next to this, but I was like, ooh, I'm not really in the mood to drink some sake for real. But I'll definitely drink this because it's good. Like, it's good. Green grape. It smells like, it reminds me of sake though. Like, it doesn't even smell like I keep saying like, sorry. It doesn't even smell like a fruity drink or anything. It smells like straight like alcohol. With a hint of a scent. This smells good though. And I bought two. Because why not? So we finna make some food because I'm hungry. And I was gonna make these veggies enchiladas with some tofu. Because I've tried this making tofu tacos. I first made tofu nachos and that was shit. On some Doritos nachos chips. Shit was bomb. And then I made some tacos. Shit was bomb. And now I want to make some enchiladas because I'm craving enchiladas. So I hope that shit is bomb. So we're gonna make some food. And before we make some food, let's take a puff. Yeah. Cheers. And we're gonna chill out and relax. a relaxed little vlog night, you know. It's not nothing too entertaining, really. Can you see me? Alright. I have so much shit. I have my extra jacket because I thought it was gonna get super cold. I got my earmuffs because, you know, like, you gotta be prepared. Got my new gloves. Double gloves. Double. We ain't playing around. And I got extra gloves in the compartment just in case I lose these gloves. You know. I got my drink. I'll make sure I have everything before I get out of this damn car. Okay. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys inside. And I'll show you my progress of the enchiladas and the cookies and all that. My fucking high ass just noticed these fucking lights. Holy shit, look at these lights on our fence. That's trippy. I like it. Ooh, I kind of want, I'm gonna ask my mom where she got these. I kind of want these for my room. Ooh, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Put these lights on. Oh, this is the lights that she was trying to put around the tree. Oh, she should have kept it around the tree, though. It would have looked the hella dope. Ooh. Okay, we finna go inside. It's cold. Alright, so I started on the tofu enchiladas, and we don't have any black beans, and I need extra enchilada sauce. So I gotta go to the store real quick to get some enchilada sauce and some black beans. And maybe find some cookies. I think I'm just gonna make the enchiladas. I'm not really in the mood for cookies, for real. Unless I have like those to make actual cookies. I'd rather actually just have the pre-baked. You just put in the oven and yeah, they're done in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna go to the store, get some black beans, and then we're gonna get on to this enchilada making. Oh. I got my mom and my my stepdad to try the soju. My mom was like, "Ooh, it's really good. It has a kick to it," and he was like, "Yeah, it's good." I was like, "Yeah, it's pretty good." And so she took the rest of the bottle of the second bottle. So yeah. I was like, yeah, I knew if she liked this, she's gonna drink all that. So, at least somebody's drinking it. So, yeah, we finna go to the store. Look at all these people. Okay, look at all these people in their fucking house decorations, bruh. I fucking love this part of Christmas, of the holidays, because look at all these people in their decorations. It's like this whole street is almost decked out of just decorations that everybody has. It's fucking awesome. Get your decoration on. Get your decoration on. That's so cute. Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah. Oh, look. Dang. For one of my videos. Oh, this is with the lights on. When you hit this certain street and they got lights. Yeah. Hope you guys can see this stuff. Look at the little Christmas tree. The little lights up coming up. Ooh. Mistletoe. Ooh. Yeah, that's so cool. I definitely gotta do a Christmas light, drive or something. Oh my god, we gotta go down that street when we come back. We gotta go down that street. They had a whole little fucking thing on their shit. I gotta remember that street. Alright. I'll see you guys at the store. We gotta listen to some tunes. Good old Save-A-Lot. Save-A-Lot. Look at this fucking house, guys. Holy shit. Oh, sorry, people. Oh, my God. OMG. Wow. You guys went all the fuck out this year. That is so lit. And in the other house, oh, my God. I had to come back and see that. That was so fucking lit right there. Dang. I love seeing the holiday spirit. Especially when people decorate their house hella good. Alright, we're on our way back home. Now time to get this tofu enchiladas going. See how these are gonna taste. Alright, we're in the kitchen. We got our enchiladas. We got the enchilada green sauce. We got our mix, which is tofu, black beans, green peppers, red peppers, onions, tomatoes. Yeah. We're gonna make these enchiladas.
So now I gently put cheddar cheese on my enchiladas, and you can put as much as you want to. I generally like a lot of cheese, you know. And yeah, put this in the oven, man. Get all that sauce in there.
Yeah.
Bake for about 10 minutes, and
10 minutes.
5.
I don't know.
Oh. Between 5 to 10 minutes. Whenever your cheese is bubbling.
Got some queso fresco, some cilantro to go on top, some avocado to go on top.
We'll be back after a message from our sponsor.
Do you experience heartburn?
You have hemorrhoids. Explosive hemorrhoids.
Try this new fidget air. Comes with all these side effects. You got refried beans. Oh no. Chickpea rice.
Right, take your ass to the doctor because I can't help you.
Chickpea rice. Oh, I think it's done. Chickpea rice. Only takes 3 to 4 minutes. Oh. Refried beans. Yeah. That was my mom, ladies and gentlemen, being the voiceover for the enchiladas. But yeah, only 10 minutes. And we got some rice. We got some refried beans, queso fresco, some cilantro, and some avocado to, dang, bro, my eyes are like hard to stay open, kind of. It got me, yo. Drinking on some Clayman Jack. Maybe wait 10 minutes. I'll set a timer. Timer time. Actually gotta clean up the dishes. Alright. I'll be back when that's done. Alright, so the timer went off, so we're ready to take these out. Look at these cute little oven mitts. They're so cute. Let's take a look at our enchiladas, guys. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Dang, saw that hotness. Ooh, we got everything ready to go. Let's set up our plate. Turn that on. Let's set up the plate. I'm not gonna lie, the chickpea rice is kind of fucking weird. But, I'm gonna top this off. Fuck. No! Oh no! Damn. Wasted me alcohol. Cute. Little bit of cilantro. Crap. I'm cutting this avocado for show, but only a little bit anyway. No, it's just falling. Little bit of cilantro, avocado on top. Excuse me, girlie. Alright. The final results. Let's check it out. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Let's check this shit out. The chickpea rice is kind of weird, to be honest. I probably won't make this again. It tastes okay. Further ado. Oh my god. This is good as shit. But yeah. And I use tofu, guys. I don't know why I have this. And it has spice to it. Ooh. Ooh. Whew. I swear. There's only one enchilada. I need something to drink. Whew. Some light sparkling water. Yeah, baby. What do you want? What you meowing for? Look at this food. Where's my meal? Where's my meal at the table? Hmm? That's the highest they go. It's the chairs. They don't get on counters and stuff. Yeah. They know better. You look so cute, Lenny Bub. So this was pretty good. Pretty good, guys. Kind of did this from the top of my head. Look at some certain recipes. Some recipes are different. I'm like, I'm gonna try it with tofu. See how it tastes. I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's pretty fucking good. I fucking love refried beans though. Like I said, it's just some tofu. How I made the tofu, I baked it. I found this taco, like I found this tofu taco recipe on Tasty. Well, I've been using that to make the meat for different stuff, and I'm liking that process. So all they do is crumble up the tofu, put their seasonings in it, oil a cookie sheet, put the tofu on there, bake it at 400 degrees for like 20 to 25 minutes, and then do whatever you want to do with the tofu. Turn it into tacos, nachos. Like my mom made a taco out of the tofu that I made, and she made some nachos out of it. So you can use it for a lot of things. She said it tasted like, when she ate her little taco, that it tastes like chicken. I was like, yeah, tofu is mostly considered, yeah, a replacement for chicken. So we made some chicken enchiladas. Well, this was fun to make. You know better. Get down. You know better. Get down. You don't have these people yelling at me. They see you on the damn table, dude. You trying to get me in trouble? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Avocado. I used to hate avocados. But my taste buds were like, let's try this one more time. And it was like, this shit fart. So yeah, this is Vlogmas day 3. Nothing too crazy. Chill day. Made some enchiladas finally. I've been wanting to make these for like a couple months now. Excuse me. Effing fucking good. I could get another one, but I don't want to push myself to thinking I'm gonna eat another one and then I don't eat it, and then it's like, ah, well. Really good. My eyes are like, feel so heavy. Like I feel like, I just feel like this. And I'm just like, I want to lay down. I want to chill the fuck out. I just want to play the fucking game. When I finally played Resident Evil, I started it. I haven't gotten a chance to play that shit since I started it. Since I'm off tomorrow, I fucking finally play it tonight. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna stream that on Twitch. So yeah. I'm gonna mostly stream all of it on Twitch because I think that's super fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! That was a good meal. Rice was alright. I'm not really a big fan of the rice. That was good. Ah. But yeah, that was a good fucking meal. Try that shit. Tofu enchiladas. Make it your own thing. You can put anything in enchiladas. Top them with any sauce, red sauce, green sauce. I prefer green sauce. The salsa verde sauce. And you know, I just put tofu, black beans, green peppers, red peppers, onions, tomatoes. You know, you can put corn, you can put, I saw one had sweet potatoes, like you can put whatever you want. But that was pretty good. I said that was definitely a success. But I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna go chill out. I'm gonna play the game. I'm gonna smoke. I'm gonna relax. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for this vlog day 4. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this entertaining. If you like the content, whatever, let me know. If you like you guys to do anything else, if you like this, if you want me to do more cooking videos, I can. I do love cooking. Cooking is so fun. And shit like that. It's fucking hot in here. I feel like I am sweating. Pop Molly, I'm sweating. So yeah. Hope you guys have a good night. Peace out. Don't forget. Excuse me. Don't forget to get high and what? Ride that wave.